Good afternoon, everybody. At last class, I have discussed about exercise 4.1. Now today, I am discussing about exercise 4.2. The very first question is given that solve the following by the transposition method and check your answers. Similar to exercise 4.1, number 2 question answers. At first, we have to solve the equation. That means we have to solve the statement and then check it. Okay. So how can we solve it? Look at there. Okay. At first, we take in this case we take from this statement we take the variable in the left side and numbers on the right side. আমি এই ক্ষেত্ৰত কি কৰো কি ভেৰিয়েবলটো আমি বামপক্ষত ৰাখো আৰু মানৰ নাম্বাৰবিলাক আমি সপক্ষত লৈ যাও ঠিক আছে we take the variable in the left side and numbers on the right side. Okay, so write the variable y in the left side and then transfer the number on the right hand side. In case of this type of statement, the plus number when it goes outside of the equal sign, then it plus become minus become plus, and multiple becomes divide, and divide becomes multiple, opposite to each other. Okay, so now in this case we can write -3 for this plus. When it go outside of the equal sign, then it will become -8. Now calculate this. Y remains same, and then -3 and -8, minus and minus become plus, so we can write this -3 and 8, but the given sign will be minus. Okay, so we check the given sign will be minus become plus, but the sign is always minus. And also one case there is the larger number is 8 minus, so we can write this question, write this answer minus. Now check this. So in this case we have to take first one side, that means left hand side or right hand side. That means we take the statement of the left hand side. There is given y plus 8. Okay, after solving the problem we get the value of y is equal to -11. So we can write in place of y there is -11 and then put the other values. So in this case minus and plus become minus, so 11 from -8, this will be 3, because the greater number is minus, that's why the answer will be minus. Now this is equal to right hand side, which is equal to right hand side. This match is checked. Okay, now coming to the question number 9 from 1. The first question is very easy, so we have coming to the question number 9. In this question there is given there is a plus 3/2, then equal to given 5 minus 6a. The first statement is a plus 3/2 and the second statement is 5 minus 6a. Okay, similar to the first math, we have to take the variable on the left side and the numbers on the right side. Okay, so we take the variables on the left side. This a becomes this a remains constant, and then the -6a when it comes inside of the bracket, it becomes plus 6a, and then the 5 remains same. The plus 3/2 when it goes outside of the equal sign, then it will be -3/2. So now calculate this. A means 1a and 6a becomes 7a on the left side. On the other hand, now from these two number you take the LCM. In case of in 5 there is a denominator 1, so from 2 and 1 the denominator will be 2 after taking LCM. Now when 1 is multiplied with 2, that it going 2 times, that means there is 2, it goes going 2 times and multiply on the upper number. যেতিয়া আমি কি কৰোঁ এই 1 to multiply 2 লগত কৰোঁ, এইটো 2 times যায়, এই কাৰণে 2 times to লিখিব লাগিব আৰু কি কৰিব লাগিব 5 ৰ লগত multiply কৰিব লাগিব. Then the minus sign থাকিব, minus sign to minus sign থাকিব, minus sign becomes minus, and then 2 going into 2 only 1 times, 2 কিমান বাৰ যাব 1 time যাব, and multiply on the upper number. কি কৰিলোঁ আমি আফটাৰ এলচিএমৰ পিছত বা এলচিএমৰ এডিং ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি বা সাবট্ৰেক্টিং ফৰ্মুলাটো কৰিলোঁ নাও the 7a becomes 7a and after calculating this 2 5s are 10 minus 1 3s are 3 and the 2 becomes 2. Now 7a means 7 into a. The 7a means 7 multiplied with a. We write the 7a on the same. Now when we subtracting 3 from 10, it will be 7 by 2. Now the a, when we free the a, that means when we free up the variable, this multiply the number which is multiplied with a, this number will go outside of the equal sign because there is this is multiplied, there will be going divisible. The 7 will 7, 2 into 7. This 7 and this 7 will be cancelled. Here 1 remain. So the value of a equal to 1 by 2. Also, now check this statement. The answer, the statement, when we solve this, the answer is correct or not. Now we have to check. First, after I have to find the value of left hand side and then right hand side because both sides have the variable. So first we take from after when we check this, first we take the left hand side. Left hand side. In this case, the first statement on the left hand side there is given a plus 3 by 2. The value of a we get 1 by 2 and add with 3 by 2. From this two number, the LCM will be 2 and adding these two numbers 1 plus 3. After adding, we get 4 by 2 and calculate this 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. The answer will be 2. And then we have to find out the value of right hand side. In right hand side there is given the statement 5 minus 6a. On right hand side there is given the statement 5 minus 6a. So the 5 remains 5 and minus 6 remains same, and the value of a we get 1 by 2. The value of a we get 1 by 2. So now calculate this 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Now multiply this 3 into 1, 5 minus 3 into 1 3, the value is 2. So the left hand side, the value of left hand side and right hand side is equal. That means the answer is must be correct. When we solve this answer, the answer is must be correct. So the left hand side equal to right hand side. Checked. Before the maths, the remaining maths from 1 to 9. So the remaining maths from 1 to 9, that means 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number and 8 number are your homeworks. Thank you students.